Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Tiupan fluid kereta kecil tidak akan mengganggu kereta besar seperti aku.
We're dead. He emerged 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled himself from the natural...
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go.
This looks like a dump.
That crazy old devil woman.
I found her!
The road and these are the hands. The roads and beats of those Memphis nights. Travel past the Vancouver.
Going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Shouldn't have gotten the presents. Mommy!
That's how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said? The youngster.
You're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you.
Mater?
Just remember, your
this guy.
Excuse me, mister. Can I have one double?
To be out there. Doesn't say who has to wear it.
No, you can't do that.
Hey, did I tell you how much I love?
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Now, okay? A little something to remember us by.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
That was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me! You didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good. Ain't no need to watch where I'm going. Just need to know where I'm.
¿Todos listos para la aventura?
Oh, yo vengo más que lista.
Sí, Ramón presente. No creo que Stanley haya cruzado este camino. ¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah!
Bonita música.
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
Worried about your fuel, man. Don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, guys, I just really wish.
jefe.
¡Mate! Entonces estos...
Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will beat his cry, baby. If for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guida,